In this video, we'll show how to set up and manage customer feedback in Masterpanel. First, from the Masterpanel dashboard, go to Mini App. Under Step 1, go to Features and enable feedback. Click Save Draft, then activate to make it live in the Mini App. Once enabled, customers can submit feedback through the Mini App. Here is a quick example of how a customer fills in a rating and comment. Now, let's move back to the Masterpanel to manage customer feedback. Once you enter the customer feedback section, you'll see an overview showing the average rating and the feedback status. At the top right, you'll find a filter button which allows you to filter feedback by date, branch, category, status, rating, or keyword. Below that is the feedback list, where you can see key details such as rating, category, feedback summary, branch, status, and order number. In the Action column, click View to open the full feedback details. Here, you can update the feedback status using the drop-down menu. You may also add an internal note if needed, but this is optional. After making changes, click Update Status to save. And that's how staff manage customer feedback in the system.